PLC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company Beyerdynamic. And what we have here is the DT240 Pro over-the-ear headphones. These are a wired pair of headphones, professional studio monitoring headphones. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look inside the box and see what it comes with. And then you're gonna go to the website and see what we have to say about it at plcnetwork.net. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of pop it open here. Pretty thin box, so let's go straight to the product here. These are the headphones right here, nice and tightly packed. Oh, they got some twisty ties in there. They come right out of there. And these are the headphones right here. Just kind of an average looking pair of headphones for the most part, but they are over the ears and they're wired, as I had mentioned. And they seem to fit pretty nicely over the ears. Let's see, they are marked on the inside of the band here and here, left and right. They don't fold inwards, but the muffs do kind of fold well, inwards like this, kind of off to the side, but the actual band itself doesn't fold inwards for an easy storage into a bag or anything. And there are no buttons or any options on the headphones themselves. I'll put that right there for now. Let's see what's inside the bag. Now, we actually did recently cover these at CES back in January, last month, towards the beginning of January. They do come with a small little kind of a felt, not felt really, but felt-ish kind of bag, a little soft cover bag for the headphones. The bag itself contains your cable, which is just a singular cable. So it looks like you just have the option of going to either or. The cable itself, you got kind of a pigtail twist in the cable just about midways to give you stretch with, and then it goes back to just a normal PVC or silicone coating and to a 3.5, and then they include a 1/4-inch adapter in there for you as well, so you can hook it up to a headphone amp or a receiver or anything else that has a 1/4-inch jack. So this is it. This is the Beyerdynamic DT240 Pro over-the-ear headphones. Go ahead and go to our website at plcnetwork.net, where we're going to have a story about this later, and we're going to let you know if we like everything we hear. So again, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.